Cobilco RK116 is the year 1995. Is the Crentons. Right from there is the rough tenor crane is the orange. Right above. Is the crane RK116 is the right above is the Crentons. Is the 60 tons. Right from there is the good time. Is the right problem is the Cobilco RK116 is the orange. Right problem. Good time there is the right problem. No time. Is the orange RK116. Good time there is the right problem. Is the orange. Right from there Cobilco right problem. Is the orange. Is the from there is the Cobilco RK116. Is the roof tenor crane. Is the orange. Good time there is the orange. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go.